typing nyo rin 5813. Three is infamous for its eerie reputation as the ghost bus. The legend stems from a tragic accident of February 1, 2004, when the original bus, then a Mercedes-Benz of 400, was traveling from Fortaleza to Salvador, CE. From Fortaleza, CE to Salvador, BA. The vehicle crashed into the Aqueduct Hippo Reservoir in Barrio, CE, tragically running all 42 passengers. After the accident, the bus was salvaged, and its chassis was reused to build a new vehicle now known as 5813 with a Marco Polo Paradiso G6 Storm 100 HD body. This reused sparked air rumors as passengers reported hearing vicious screams and seeing ghostly figures inside the bus. 2004 reviewed keep your accent was one of the most tragic bus crashes in Brazil's history. The Viagra Pimirin bus was driving along BR 116. Lost control and plug into the keep reservoir in Barbacera. The accident occurred at 9:04 a.m. just before Carnival and resulted deaths of over two passengers, including two children, 11 women, and 29 men. The bus had departed from Fortaleza heading towards Salvador, where many passengers planned to celebrate the holiday. Investigation suggests that the driver may have fallen asleep at the wheel, causing the vehicle to narrow and into the water. The depth of the reservoir is 9 meters at a time, and the sealed windows made escape nearly impossible. Many passengers tried to flee through the single door, but the bus sank rapidly. The rescue operation lasted 21 hours, involving police firefighters and emergency teams, and the tragedy deeply impacted the region, leading to 3 days of mourning and legal battles over compensation of victims' family. 2004, Keeper of Sweden led to discussions in bus safety regulations, but there are no direct records of specific laws being changed solely because of this tragedy. However, Brazil has seen strengthened occupational safety and transportation regulations. Including stricter driver fugitive monitoring, exit and road safety measures. Globally, similar accidents have influenced occupational safety laws such as the Occupational Safety and Health Notification of Accident Regulations 2004, which focus on reporting workplace accidents and dangerous occurrences. Subscribe, like for more info. No, and this picture that I got, the front of the bus and another picture in the inside of the bus. So if you like more videos like this, so don't forget to subscribe, click, and share.